Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the stop loss and take profit indicator. Most traders focus all their energy on finding the perfect entry point, but what about the exit strategy? If you've ever found yourself exiting trades too soon or holding on too long, then this video is for you. In this video, we're just going to be looking at the stop loss and take profit indicator for MT4. It's quite an effective tool for optimizing trade exits and minimizing risks. All right. So let us talk about why stop loss and take profit levels are crucial for any successful trader. A stop loss that is too tight can get triggered too early. Imagine if you enter a trade, maybe a buy trade around here, okay, maybe around here at this point, and then maybe you entered around here, right? You are thinking that after this move that is going to reverse and go up, and then you set your stop loss just below here. Well, guess what? You're going to get stopped out as this thing came down, and guess what again? It eventually went in your direction. So when your stop loss is too tight, it can get triggered too early, knocking you out of a trade before it moves in your favor. And then a stop loss that is too far exposes you to unnecessary risk. If you enter a sell, it may be a buy here, you now carry your stop loss and go and take all the way down to this place. Your risk to reward ratio is likely going to be poor, depending on where you're targeting for your take profit. So you are exposing yourself to unnecessary risk if you don't know how to set your stop losses properly and you take it too far away. All right. And then a poorly placed take profit means you might exit too soon or miss big market moves. Imagine you take your take profits now and just place it here. You placed it here and you missed out on the remaining move. Or maybe you carry it and go and place it all the way up here, and then eventually price gets to this point and then reverses back. And you end up losing that trade after it has gone in your favor for long. So it's important to set your stop loss and take profit at appropriate levels, appropriate zones. All right. What is the solution? A precise strategy that balances risk and reward. And that's exactly what the stop loss and take profit indicator does. So I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right away. The stop loss take profit indicator. Okay. Now, this indicator analyzes the market and identifies the trend direction. Okay. It automatically calculates ideal entry points for buy or sell trades. It then plots your stop loss and 3 take profit levels on the chart, so you don't have to figure it out manually. And here's the best part. It works across all Forex pairs and all time frames, making it perfect for every trader. Different traders have different styles, right? There's no doubt about that. And that is the reason why this indicator provides 3 distinct take profit levels. As you can see, even on this top left hand corner, you can see that the indicator lets you know the first take profit target, the second take profit target, the third take profit target. And you can see the risk to reward, right? And then you can see the stop loss target, and you can see the buy signal. You can see that it identifies the trend, identifies yesterday's low, yesterday's high, and all of that, right? So now you can actually use the level 1 take profit if you are a scalper, because a scalper is someone that is looking for quick price moves. Okay, so the level 1, the first take profit target, is a quick target for those who prefer fast trades. Then you can use the level 2 take profit target if you are a day trader, because it's a mid-range target, ideal for daily setups. Then if you are a swing trader, you can use the take profit 3, the third level of take profit, because of its, its longer term target for those who hold positions longer, right? So with this, you can choose an exit strategy that matches your trading style. Okay, this indicator does not just stop at entry and exit points. As you can see, it also provides 4 key market levels to help traders analyze price action. Now, you will notice these lines, right? And these lines, right? So, the lime line marks the current day's high. The lime line, right? As you can see, it marks the current day's high. Okay? Then the orange red line shows the previous day's open price. Then the dark orange line marks the previous day's close price. All right. And then the medium blue line points to the current day's low. So these additional levels give traders a better view of market structure, helping them avoid bad trades and confirm strong trends. Okay. So if you are wondering why you need this indicator, well, given all the factors, given all the features, given all the characteristics of this indicator, I guess it could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Basically, it simplifies analysis for you. It even gives you sell and buy signals. It tells you whether it's time to sell, it tells you whether it's time to buy, it tells you whether the trend is up, whether the trend is down. It gives you stop loss level, it gives you take profit levels, 3 different take profit levels. All right, so it's worth trying out. You can actually decide to try it out on a demo account first and see how it works out before using it on a live account if it works out fine for you. Okay, because as you can see, it automates your stop loss and take profit calculations. It works on all forex pairs and time frames, eliminates manual errors and emotional decision making, and it enhances risk management with a good risk to reward ratio. So if you want to trade smarter and with confidence, this stop loss and take profit indicator for MT4 is worth considering. Yeah, it's worth considering having. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on new powerful trading tools and strategies. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and let's keep the discussion going. See you in the next video.